in front of the pool here, we have the laundry room. The instructions are on the wall, and this is your laundry room. Laundry instructions: load your laundry and soap into the washing machine. Make your payment for each payment you selected. Select the cycles you desire on each machine. The machine will lock once cycle is started. Repeat 1, 2 and 3 for the dryers. Check status and set alerts. Use the laundry view. Scan the QR code at laundryview.com/Disney World in your phone browser. See laundry room usage. And then I assume this is how you pay, using one of these. And if you want detergent, yeah, it's in there. But we brought tablets, didn't we? So you pick your washing machine numbers, however many you want, how many loads you want, and you come over to this point and you start all the machines using the numbers of the washing machines. $3 a wash, guys. $3 a wash. And this laundry and all the other laundry points are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What would you like to do? Start a machine?
Yeah. Washer.
And choose up to 4 washers. So you want 4, 17 and 18.
4, 17 and 18, is that correct, Molly?
Okay. Washer 3, washer 4. Touch OK to charge $9 to your card.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Processing. Cool. It's easy. Go to the washers and select a cycle. Make sure your washers are labelled with numbers shown above.
Okay, so colours. Oh, busy. Oh. There we go.
That's an hour.
34 minutes. Cool.
Cool. 3 loads of washing. Done.
QR code.
Yeah.
You can then select your resort and what laundry room you're in, and then it will show you how long's left on the machine. And you, so we got 4, 17 and 18, and you can set a notification. I'll just do it for that one because that's the longest.
Cool. You ready to go swimming?
No! Enter your email address.
Wicked. Job done.
So just let me change my diet.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.